All right, boys, trade recap for today. We got IWM. I want everyone to listen up. The reason that I took this, let's clear everything off for the first place. The reason that I took this was simply because, all right, let's look at these higher time frame. As you guys know, SPY yesterday had a huge downside move, and obviously with a downside move, for it to go lower, you need to see a pullback to fill more orders to go lower, which I think we are going to go lower maybe today in the PM session. So on IWM, you see if I go on replay mode, this was market open. Do you think that we're just going to open and just dump down? No, we're going to have to see some retracements to go lower. It could have even been this to go lower. But I do know that we're going to need to take out highs to go lower. So what I'm looking for is calls off the start because, for one, let me show you guys on the 4-hour time frame. If you go all the way over here, all the way over here with these lows were getting swept. Go down here, hourly lows, bro. All of these lows getting swept. Lows, 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 sweep. That's when we're looking on like the 5-minute time frame. We're looking right here. We're saying, okay, we're sweeping out lows. 3 minutes, sweeping out lows. Everything's sweeping. Everything's looking good, especially after this news candle. We swept. Now I'm going to wait for an inversion. We make a high, a low. I could have entered right here, but I didn't because I thought it was just going to reject. I wanted to play it safe. Made a high, low, high, high, high. Bam. Inverse this right here. You see that, right? Big ass 1 minute fair value gap right here. Huge 1 minute fair value gap. We're still in it. We're still in it. Boom. We disrespect it. Also on the 3 minute. We didn't disrespect this, but we did come down and then we made a big upside move. And then the 5 minute just came down. Upside candle, bro. I'm thinking we're going higher after that. But on the 1 minute, this is where, or actually I think I entered on the 3 minute, was it? Yes, it was right on the 3 minute I entered. So, right here, after the sweep and then the boom, the big upside move, which was that 1 minute inverse, which we closed above this whole entire imbalance right here. Price dropped down insanely because of news, made a huge imbalance in efficiency. We rejected, we're rejecting a little bit, we're moving up, boom, we close above it. Am I entering at highs as soon as we inverse? No. I wait for the pullback to the EMAs, which was the 3 minute fair value gap right here. So if I take this off, I waited for the pullback of this regular 3 minute fair value gap. Also, guys, look, the EMAs, they crossed over. The 9 is above the 21. We pulled back to the 9. Good reaction. Schmacky. Easily. Look. Entered right off of that, and we fucking printed. My take profits were at this first high right here, the high of day. Then my second was a 15-minute high, and then some more. This was, what was this? An hourly high maybe? No, I think that was just another. Oh yeah, the top of the 15-minute fair value gap, just in case we wanted to fill it and go lower. And then right here was 1 hour highs, and then yeah, that was it. Trimmed this shit right here for a good, what, 1 to 5 almost risk to reward, bruh. And this shit is still running. Literally getting ran through just like all of your guys' ex-girlfriends. I'm sorry to say that, but yeah, this is what we're going to do to the market. I'm going to fucking run through all these motherfuckers with my contracts and smack it right on their face. Give me money, give me money. Just because our strategy is him, bruh. Him. Crazy fucking trade, boys. Love this shit. That was the trade recap on SPY. This is also what I saw. SPY was looking good right after news. So news came down. So we already had this big upside move. We broke structure. Came down. Did we take out more lows? Us. Right here. Baby. More lows with the news candle. Swept, and then we closed all the way up here, bro. All the way up here. So on the 1 minute time frame, when we closed all the way up here, waited for a pullback. You can enter off of that. Wham. Great trade. The bias is higher. It's all about the risk to reward. It's all about where you enter. You could have simply even entered down here if you were that confident, but I personally wouldn't have. I do think this is potentially going to reject. I don't know where we're going to go to, but taking it from the high to the low, if we want to come up here today, if we want to make a move up here, I think shorts are going to be the move up here. So, yeah, but my bias was long today for IWM. Fucking printed on this, baby. And, yeah, that was the trade recap. Deuces, boys.